Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about crochet braids. As you guys can tell, I have put my natural hair away and I am rocking some crochet braids. This is Congo Curl in the color 1B by Zury Sis. Thank you guys so much for sending me this hair out to review. This is the one pack is enough crochet braid hair. So it comes in supposedly a V shape and you get three separate bundles. So an 8-inch, a 9-inch, and a 10-inch. And it's super cute. So mine did not come out in a V shape because of the way that I installed it. So I am going to insert a little clip right now that shows me pulling the hair out of the pack so you guys can see how it looks before I separate it. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Okay guys, and if you need a more in-depth tutorial of how I actually use this crochet beater to install my hair, I have a video on it where I get pretty close to the camera and it's in real time, and I will leave it in the description box down below, and it's also on my crochet braid playlist, so I will link that in the description box below as well. But that's just what the hair looks like when it comes out of the pack. So you get three bundles, and then this is just one of the pieces right here. I separated each piece into a lot, like at least 4 pieces, some probably 5 or 6 pieces. I only used half of the pack, you guys. So it's quite a bit of hair, and you guys can see that my hair is big, and I separate my crochet braid hair no matter what type of hair it is. I separate it. I would never take this whole piece and install it as one. This is like way too much. So yeah, I only used one whole bundle and a half. So it's definitely more like 2 heads for this one pack. When I saw the pack, I was like, there's no way I'm going to use all of that in my in one install. So definitely one pack is more than enough if you don't separate. And if you do separate, you could probably get 2 installs out of that. I'm pretty sure that will be enough to do a whole nother install. So it's super duper cute. I love this hair a lot. The texture is a natural texture similar to the other crochet braid styles I've been doing recently, like fluffy wand curl, Jamaican bounce curl. So all of these like fake it till you make it styles, they're all this natural texture. It's not a silky texture like water wave or like deep twist or something like that. It's a more kinky type of texture. It's really, really pretty. So let me show you guys. And by the way, the bottom is the 10-inch and then the top is the 9-inch. So basically what I did was install all of the 10-inch first, and I just went, you know, up in my head. So then most of this right here is the 9-inch. So let me show you guys the back and the other side. And I did not put any product on this hair. A lot of times when I do my crochet braid hair afterwards, I'll go in and like apply mousse or like some type of spritz or something. I didn't put any product on this hair. I absolutely love it. I did do an invisible part, not using it. The reason I do the invisible part is normally for work, I wear it down the middle and just kind of pin both sides back so it's not as like big and in your face. But normally if I'm just like going somewhere on the weekend or something like that, I'll do the flip over method, which is what I'm doing right now. And I love this hair so, so much. Love the curl pattern. I think it's really, really pretty. It is a looser wave, I would say, than some of the other styles I've done previously. It's normally like a tighter curl, so I really like this, and I think it's so cute for Valentine's Day. So I was like, let me make this a Valentine's Day look and put on like a red lip. So super duper cute. Love this hair a lot. So let me think about you guys think about whether or not you want an update on this hair, and if you do, leave a comment down below and I will do that for you guys in probably like 2 weeks ish, maybe 3 weeks, depending. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this hair in. It's probably can go a month. It seems like it will be pretty durable. It's not as tight of a curl as the crochet braid video I just put up just recently, so you probably can't wear it 6 weeks, but you can probably definitely get a good 3 to 4 weeks out of it. Definitely a month, I would say, for this. So I'll keep you guys updated on this hair, and like I said, if you guys need an in-depth tutorial of how I use the crochet beater, I will link that video in the description box down below, and don't forget to check out some of my other crochet braid videos while you're there. And that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave everything in the comment section down below. I always get back to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.